Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to welcome you today. My name is Doan of Truc. Today I would like to share you about an interesting topic that is global citizen. And what is global citizen? So, in Vietnam, the concept of global citizen appeared in the early second millennium of the decades, but there is still no complete and officially recognized definition. The Green Passport to go around the world is a global citizen community that helps young Vietnamese people hone their knowledge, skills, and experience to become a global citizens. This definition not only refers to people living and working in many countries, people participating in nonprofit organizations, etc., but also represents people with diverse backgrounds from background knowledge to lifestyles and culture of many countries around the world. Global citizens are people who live and work in different countries. They may have one or more nationalities. Therefore, global citizens can reach knowledge and development opportunities to create values useful for the world community. They represent human activities and contribute to making the world a better place. So there your question is, who am I? And are you a global citizen? So this is an interesting question. I can answer I'm a student and a good citizen. I want to do the best things for my society so that I can become a good global citizen. And becoming that person is not as easy as I think. Therefore, I need to learn many things, such as my language, social skills, and knowledge, so I can work and live in another country to have disadvantaged people. I can get experience and use this to become a good global citizen. And am I a global citizen? So, global citizens participated in communities at a level from local and take responsibility for my actions and interactions with members of my community and communities abroad. So, to become a global citizen, you have to be creative, flexible, dedicated, and proactive. And I think I have those features, and we also display it. So, I am a global citizen. So what features do you recognize someone as a global citizen? A global citizen is aware of the wider world and has a sense of her or his wrong. So they are also respect and values diversity and have an understanding of how the world was socially, culturally, and environmentally. They participate they participate in and contribute to the community at a range of levels from local to global. And they are willing to act to make the world a more sustainable place and takes responsibility for his or her actions. In addition, global citizens are fairly in their choices, their decisions, and their words, and they believe that all people are equal. And they don't think of some groups or the videos as superior or inferior to others. And global citizens believe that they can make a positive difference in the world. What skills make someone to be a global citizen? So I want to mention four skills here. The first thing that is open-mindedness. Being a global citizen means accepting an extremely active life that requires constant change and having to adapt to new lifestyles and cultures without having to go abroad. Therefore, an open mind is the first necessary condition of a global citizen. New open-mindedness helps us accept many different cultures, ways of thinking, and different meanings. Second thing, that is confidence. This is considered as a skill because at the same time, maintaining self-confidence is indispensable in building the bravery of a global citizen, and confidence can help us overcome the challenges in any country, confident to learn new experience every day. And about adaptability skills, so adaptability expands our capacity to handle change, no matter how serious it might be. Instead of throwing away our energy trying to change our circumstances, we will change ourselves right from within, thus making us try it whatever situation we find ourselves. And the last one that is problem solving. So we can create critical thinking and problem solving skills, community spirit and cooperation and communication. So we have awareness of cross-cultural communication. So what does global citizen matter in my life? So that is the opportunity to participate in local, national, and international activities and improve the ability to explain and express opinions. And I understand the value I can bring to the community. It has me enhance my values, but also has me avoid being eliminated in such increasingly integrated and developed society. Becoming a global citizen will allow me to learn from community activities. I can learn experience, skills, opportunities to meet and interact with dynamic people. Besides, I get a great job opportunity in the future and build my understanding of the world's events. The next one that is the problems that the world is facing today. First thing that is environmental pollution, climate change, COVID-19, water scarcity, water scarcity, large-scale conflicts, and prim trial primary education. So there are so many problems. However, I just refer to some typical problems that the world is facing and cannot solve absolutely. So our world is facing so many problems that it's impossible to solve all of them. Although all countries over the world have cooperated to solve, and some problems have been solved somehow. So it needs many countries' effort more and more. And some problems the world is facing can solve absolutely. So what did you study? What did you so I will to talk about what I study in the three different courses related to global citizen. So after I had participated in the global citizen courses, I knew I learned some skills and features to become. I can start to face issues of global independence through an economics course, diversity of identities and cultures in a history course, sustainable development in an environmental science course, and more. Are possible to enhance my listening and respecting skills of others and my opinions, and make informed choices that not only affect me but others as well. As a result, I can become a successful global citizen, confident individual, responsible citizen, and effective contributor. In general, this will allow me to explore, develop, and express my values and opinions. So, to answer these questions, I want I want some words to say that I think substitute students have not treasured becoming global citizen. They think that they will have a job after they have graduated and they will not do anything related to the general problems. As a result, they don't prepare the skills to be a global citizen. However, they didn't know that being a global citizen brings them many benefits, not only useful for their job, but it's also for their social skills and helps them to achieve success for themselves. Therefore, I want to say that you have to learn and become a global citizen. If you only want to be safe and live in the cocoon, you cannot develop your skills and realize what you can do. We can always scare. We are afraid of failing and confronting new things. However, if we don't face the difficulties, how can we reach success and develop ourselves? Besides, you don't want to change your mindset, so you feel hard to do new things. To sum up, let's be a global citizen because it helps you to change your mind. This is helpful because you will meet new people, new friends, learn new skills, and have many different benefits that you cannot find if you're in a safe zone. And the last one, so I want to say that, to be honest, I will take my friends to place need help. First of all, I will encourage them to be a volunteer first because this is the fundamental way to be a global citizen. And they will see difficult circumstances and be aware of learning from it and start to train myself and learn actively. It's not only about training skills, improving knowledge, and understanding, but also the ability to see the big, overarching problems in the current society that affect sustainable development. And from this, they will be a positive global citizen. So, and that's brings me to the end of my presentation. Thanks for your listening.